12,000 years ago, Carpinteria looked different than it does today. The climate was cooler and wetter. Tall redwoods grew on hillsides and canyons. Springs bubbled to the surface, and so did something else. Tar pits were scattered throughout the coastal plain. Often covered with a layer of water, some of these pools of asphalt looked like ponds. Stepping into them proved fatal. A Pleistocene animal, like the ancient bison, could become mired in asphalt's sticky clutch. The more the animal would struggle to get free, the more it would sink. Its desperate calls would attract nearby carnivores, like the American lion and dire wolf, which would also become trapped. Their carcasses slowly decomposed, leaving asphalt-saturated bones. Buried in sand, silt, and asphalt, the bones fossilized over time. How did these tar pits originate? Millions of years ago, movement of tectonic plates deep underground caused gravel, sand, and sediment to collect. Decaying matter transformed into petroleum. Some of it was squeezed into vents and rose to the surface as asphalt seeps. Carpinteria's tar pits contained more plant and bird fossils than mammal fossils. The fossilized bird bones tell us the California condor, golden eagle, and other birds of prey were once present. Fossilized cones and needles of coast redwood and pine trees tell us the climate here was cool and damp. Today, Carpinteria's climate is warmer and drier, but the asphalt continues to seep. Like the fossils, it remains our connection to the Pleistocene past.